Hey guys, I have a what is it? The Walmart beauty box. This is I think my second one. Yeah, it would be my second one. They don't come very often. I think like maybe 4 times a year, and they're only like $5, so it's not bad. So I signed up for it because it's a fairly cheap little goodie box, and I love getting little surprises and stuff. So there are some cool things in the first one I got. I did a video of that one too back several months ago. Um, let's see if we can get it open though. Okay. Oh, there we go. I made it. It's Christmas. There we go. Baby. And ooh. And this is what it looks inside. It looks pretty cool for only $5. There's some nice things in here. Okay. Purely Pretty. It's just a little card. And I got a little survey to enter to win $100 gift card. I don't usually do those. Let's see. We got some dry shampoo, Tresemme. Cool. Go ahead. Give this a little test right now. Let's see. Ooh. Cool. Ooh, it smells nice. My hair is all crazy. I need to bleach and dye my hair. All my roots are growing in. Look at that. Oh, so many varying colors. Cool. Okay, the next item is Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. Okay, this I'm not going to test for y'all. But this is what it looks like. It wants to be blurry though. Oh, now that I turn around it. There you go. You can smell it. Ugh. If I can get it open. I apparently have problems getting things open here. There you go. Just a basic white minty. There you go. And next, we got this. Salon Perfect Sculpts and Defines Smudge-Free Dual-Sided Brush. Done in one brow pomade. Cool. So it's for your eyebrows. Ugh. I don't know about that. I did the dyeing at a brow place once in my eyebrows, and I don't really like how it came out. It was just way too dark for my complexion and hair color and all that. I don't even know. It didn't look good. God, they really got this thing in here. what the brush looks like. It's got one side like that, and the other side like that. And then here's the little bottle, or jar, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know. I had to smell it. It doesn't smell like anything, but cool. So I'm guessing this is like a full-size product. So that's pretty cool. Well, it looks like a full-sized product to me. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's gonna. Like this dropping stuff. Okay. Oh, you know what? I just tested it on my hand. See what it looks like. I'm not gonna put it on my blouse. Whoa. Yeah, that's like really dark. I wonder if I can use it for eyeliners. Oh my goodness, I cannot get it. Let me try a different angle or a different part of my hand. Like right here. See? Huh. Yeah, that is like super dark. Maybe eyeliner, but not my eyebrows. I can't do the dark eyebrows. Just, I don't like it. But I don't really wear makeup all that much anyways. I have a ginormous collection. I don't know why. Because I always tell myself, oh, I'm going to wear makeup today. Or at least for date night, I don't even do that. I don't know. Oh, I got a purifying black charcoal mask. Cool. I think I got one of these in the last one. It might have been different, but I have not used it yet. But that'll be a fun little at-home spa day. Ooh, what's this? Oh my god. Here's about the toothpaste. Hello Farm to Tube Minty Goodness. New naturally friendly toothpastes with farm-grown mint. Cool. So this is the whitening. And they also have an anti-plaque plus whitening and an activated charcoal whitening. Cool. Well, if you want to go out and try it, hello at Walmart. And then we got whatever this is. This is purely inspired collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised vitality blend with biotin. Oh, so this is a dietary supplement. This will be something that you add to water, I'm assuming. It's got 18 amino acids, 18 grams of protein, 20 grams of collagen peptides, collagen types 1 and 3, and it's easy to digest. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar, non-GMO, and keto certified, and certified paleo. And it is unflavored. I wonder what it tastes like. Directions. Mix 1 serving which is 1 pouch with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice, and take once daily. Huh. Don't know if I'm going to give that a try right now or not. Maybe I'll do a separate video where I give this a taste test. Mix it with some water. And then they always come with these cute little makeup bags to put all your little goodies. This one I'll keep for the kitchen though. And this is just paper. Put back in there. This fits. Cool. This. Hey, this will be cool for a road trip. And this. And voila! Everything fits in the little bag. I think I only used 1 or 2 of the things from the last box. I don't know what I put with what I did with these stuff from my last box, but I should give some of these a test. My phone seems to be sliding on me. I have tripods that I could put it on, but I always just sort of prop it up against something. I don't know. I'm weird like that. Oh well. Okay, guys. That was my little Walmart's beauty bag box, whatever. I mean, I guess I could do another video where I try to put the eyebrow stuff on, but I know I'm gonna look ridiculous and it's gonna be completely uneven and just like all kinds of crazy looking, but hey. Maybe I could do the mask, then cleanse, then eyebrows. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.